Hey guys, this is Kaustav here, and today I just want to talk about an app which I had actually built, which actually helped me get rid of procrastination. The app is called 3 Things, and let me just give you a small backdrop of what actually led to this app called 3 Things. This is the app out here. So at that point in time, I was actually working on a lot of stuff. I was actually working in my full-time job. I'm still working a full-time job. I work as a .NET software developer, and I wanted to learn mobile development, so I was checking out Flutter. There's React Native. There's .NET MAUI also. AI was also in the hype, and I want to learn a whole bunch of AI stuff also. So there's a whole bunch of stuff I want to do, but I'm getting nothing done because I'm not being able to focus on anything. That's where 3 Things comes into play. So I wanted to build an app. I chose Flutter, and I stuck to it for this app at least. And initially when I built it, I just had these 3 boxes, which were 3 text boxes, not even like these fancy ones. 3 text boxes, and every day I just used to put one task to get 3 things going. Like maybe just design this part, or just make it more intuitive, and just these 3 boxes. So basically when I was actually building 3 things, I was actually using 3 things to build 3 things itself. Like it was actually helping me raise the focus. So let me just go ahead, like if I just click on plus, I can just put in tasks out here. Pretty standard task, like to do manager. So 2 tasks which I've set, and the beauty of 3 things is it just lets you do maximum 3 things. So it's basically priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. There's no 4, 5, 6, because you can do less than 3, but I would not want you to do like more than 3, because then you are actually distributing your focus too much. You are not being focused on just a couple of things and getting things done. You're just looking at a whole bunch of stuff and you actually get nothing done. And so as days went by, I kept on using 3 things. I kept this 3 tasks a day principle, and I was able to build 3 things out. The first version of 3 Things, when it came out, it just had this 3 boxes out here. These were, I think, just this bit. I could actually add a to do out here, and that's how 3 Things actually came into play. But then we went ahead and added a couple of more things. We added this beautiful way to go ahead and add voice based to dos. It will not work right now because it's working on the computer and the mic is right now already used, so the audio channel will not record anything. But if you go ahead and actually run it on a physical device, it would actually record the audio and translate it into text and show it out here, which is super cool. I think I like the animation which actually comes out here. It was like, it took me a while to get it done, but it was pretty cool. Once you get it done, that's the satisfaction which you get of building something and it actually working. So as I built it, I wanted to add in a little bit of focus timer also, because Pomodoro was it's still in trend right now. Everybody wants to do Pomodoro, and I like the principle of working 20-25 minutes and then just taking a break for 5 minutes. So I built this. It has a timer out here also. If I run it, it actually shows me the running timer out here. There's a small overpixel of 2. There's still a couple of things I need to fix up. Working solo is difficult actually, but still, yeah. So you have a timer built up, and I always wanted to create a music app also, but then I figured, yeah, 3 Things is going to be the perfect place to put in some focus music also. So I built in this music section out here, which has a couple of songs out here, little tracks, nothing very instrumental. I can go ahead and play something. It has this beautiful, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I think the moment I hear it, it's like, and that's how all the tracks in 3 Things is all about. It's pretty relaxing. That's going to get me into the focus zone for sure. But yeah, that's what 3 Things is. And then the one thing I actually noticed was, when I was actually working on this, I was putting a lot of effort, working full-time job, coming back home and working on this app. I was getting a lot burnt out, falling sick, a whole bunch of stuff was actually happening. So I want to track how do I feel every single day, just to make sure I am not putting in so much effort that I actually fall sick and I'm becoming unwell, unhealthy, and it's taking a toll on my mental state. So that's when I actually built in this daily check-in thing, which actually helps you keep a small track of how you're feeling on that particular day. So I might be feeling calm, so I just save it out here, and it actually shows me on that particular day what is my mental state, which is super cool. At least I find it pretty helpful. I use it. This is not my actual phone, but in my actual phone you would actually see there's a whole bunch of tracks which I have there, like a whole bunch of days when I've actually tracked my mood and stuff. It's really helped me a lot, and difficult times, and understand my behaviors and get out of any toxic behaviors like overworking or just getting too stressed out or doing like trying to do too much in a particular day. So all in all, 3 Things is live in the Google Play Store, on the App Store. If you would like to try it out, do try it out. And I highly recommend you try it out. It has a 3-day free ad-free trial. There is no limit to using 3 Things. There are no limits but if it's on a free version, it just shows you some ads here and there just to keep things going. And the beauty of 3things is privacy. I think that's one of the things which I miss talking, and it's, I think, the core of all the apps which I actually make. It is privacy. 3things is an entirely local app. There is none of your to-dos goes to the server. Just a couple of things actually comes from the server, which is just this daily motivation, which is nothing related to your data. That's another reason why I haven't yet added any AI right now in the app, because I haven't yet figured out a method to keep the user's privacy intact and having AI come into the picture. So I'm waiting probably for onboard AIs to come in, and then we can add in some AI into the app. But I would not want to compromise privacy of any of my apps for some feature which is good, but not at the cost of privacy, because privacy obviously comes first. So that's 3things. If you would like to try it out, do try it out. I'll put the links in the description below, and just let me know how did you like the app. I'm still working on it. If you find any bugs, let me know. I find bugs, I fix it on a regular basis, and I am actively maintaining this project. So yeah, that's just, I just wanted to put it across, because if I build it, I would like to share it. So let me know your thoughts. What do you feel about this app, and if there's anything which I need to add. I know I need to work on the UI a bit. It looks slick, but I add in some more features.